How to redeem Steam gift card keys or a game key. This tutorial shows you how to add funds or a game key to your Steam account using a gift card. First, open the Steam app on your computer. After that, click on your account name at the top right. From there, click on View My Wallet. At this point, click on Redeem a gift card or wallet code. In the next step, enter the code found on the back of your Steam gift card. Following this, click Continue. Once done, review the amount or item shown to confirm it matches your gift card. From here, click Redeem to add it to your account. At this stage, if the amount was added as wallet funds, you'll now see your updated balance under your account details. Keep in mind, some codes are tied to a specific game or key rather than wallet funds, in which case it'll be added directly to your library instead of your balance. Finally, use your added funds or newly redeemed game the next time you make a purchase or launch your library. And that's it. If this guide helped you redeem Steam gift card keys, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.